What's up? Welcome back to another Omegle video. We're gonna do the exact same dog idea I've had for the past 3 fucking videos. This is the third now, so honestly at this point it's not even fucking Omegle. It's Omi because I got banned, but hey, I don't care. Same different toilet, bro.
Hey.
What?
Bro, you just stripped me out of shit.
Damn.
But wait, was that you or just like they skipped me?
Yeah, that was me.
Bro, I'm dead. You need to go on Fortnite and just girl troll and get those little kids to cry.
Hey.
Hi.
How are you?
Ooh.
What?
Hey, what's up?
Yeah.
That's fucking cool.
Hey, you know me.
Hey boy, yabba yabba, how's it going, cocksucker?
Oh my god, why would you say that?
What the f?
What?
Bro, you're on that straight transgender shit, eh boy?
Pride Month, you already know.
Pride Month. Right.
Hi.
What the fuck, man?
What?
What the fuck, bro? Be a fucking man, bro.
My bad.
You're fucking gay, son.
Hi.
What
What?
are you, a guy or a girl?
Man, big man.
She just called
Hi.
me gay. What the fuck? What the fuck?
What? What, man?
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
What?
What, man?
This is gear.
No, I would never.
Hi.
Hello.
Oh my god, is that Crispy Concords?
Where?
You, bro.
Hi.
You're not fooling me, fam.
Nope.
You're not fooling me.
Nope.
I'm educated. Obviously, I'm in Canada.
Oh my god.
What the
Don't.
Hi.
Hey, what's up?
Not much.
Did the girl voice again?
Hi.
All right, just do it for like 20 more seconds and I'll be done. Okay?
We're not doing that, big man.
Hi.
Holy shit, bro. You gotta drop your nuts, eh?
Oh my god. That's crazy.
Oh my god, that's so crazy.
Hi. Hi.
Whoa.
Whoa, wait.
I'm so happy
What?
Pride Month. Let's
Nope,
lock it.
I'm not gay.
No, he is not gay. No, because you're trans.
No, not that either. No.
Лучше это все дело.
Hi.
Давай лише подивимося, що з ним це.
Hi.
Your mic's not working.
Aww.
Very handsome boy.
I have a question, because this dude asked me this.
Yes.
Would you find it cheating
Ooh.
if, what was it again? It was a really stupid. Oh yeah, if she posted a picture of herself in a bikini on Instagram.
No.
Thank you. Like,
Ooh.
the fact that he thinks that she's doing it for the attention of other guys just makes him extremely insecure.
See, personally, what I would do with that is, if I was his boyfriend, her boyfriend, I would take that picture and jerk off, man.
You a YouTuber?
No, Hubber.
Ooh. What's good, bro?
What's up?
What you doing?
Not much.
Ooh, nice voice. Nice
Yes, sir.
His voice changer. I know his voice changer.
No, I don't got voice changer. That's all me. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this.
Hi.
Whoa. What? Whoa. It's type of people that catfish you on game, bro. Say what's it? Say hi, daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
What the fuck? No.
Nah, this is your profession right there.
No, there's a girl behind the thing, I swear. Bro, there's no girl.
There's a girl somewhere.
No girl, bro. Like,
no there's no in sight. And no is.
Jerking your shit. You jerking your shit?
No.
What the Hey. Carlos, come here. Say something.
Say something.
Hi.
What the Why do you sound like that?
I don't.
Who's next to you?
Oh, nobody.
What the How are you sounding like a girl?
No auto-tune either, bro. I can just like switch up like that. Like,
Hi.
You're fucking gay. I hate you.
oh, that's tragic.
LG. Oh my god.
Ouch, you.
God.
That's zesty as oh my god.
Literally, what the sauce, dude? What the sauce?
Hi.
Yo,
How are
what's
you?
good? Yo, you gay?
No.
Yo.
Hey, how are you?
Was that you?
Yeah.
Do it again.
Hey, how are you?
It caught me off guard.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Do it again.
Hey, how are you?
How? Like your voice is like deep and then it goes to that like
It's
high pitch.
yeah. I don't know. Trust me, I don't know how I do it. I just do it. It's kind of weird. I'm not gonna lie.
It's weird, but like it seems like you enjoy it. Like you
Yeah,
just
it's definitely fun to get reactions. So come on.
okay, well bye.
Bye.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Why do you sound like that?
I didn't.
No, why do you sound like that?
I
No, you can't even play that off. You can't even say you're acting gay, bro. That's like whoever has that voice, you're just straight gay. I don't know what to tell you.
I'm not gay though. I swear.
No, you're gay. You're gay. I'm sorry. Like, there's no coming back from that. Like,
oh, fuck, bro.
Sorry, my bad. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that.
Wow, you boy.
No, I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. Shit, bro. My bad. Hear me out. Hear me out.
Oh, you're the transgender lady. You're the lady boy. You haven't left your room all day.
Yeah, I'm a femboy.
Leave your room. Follow.
Hi.
Wait, do that again?
Hi.
Doesn't this sound like a girl when he
Hi.
Are you gay?
No. No, sir.
Why, hi? Why?
Why not?
Are you gay?
No,
Tell
no.
me.
No.
Tell me.
No, girly pop, stop.
Ah, stop. Yeah.
Hi. Why are you sucking on robot dick?
yo, that's actually the best fucking voice I've ever heard. Wait, what? Whoever has that voice, you're just straight gay. Wait, do that again, please. What the
Hey, how are you?
How do you do that?
I don't know, man. I'm gonna be honest.
Do you even have an Adam's apple? How could you do that? Like, what?
Not really. I don't know.
Yo, you could make so much money off of that, bro.
That's what I'm saying, bro. I don't know why I just haven't gotten to
You
it.
just find a sugar daddy, bro.
Oh God.
Oh my god, what the? Yo, that's low-key creepy though.
Yeah.
Wait, I need to see your mouth. Do it again.
Hi.
What the is wrong with you, bro? What?
Oh my god, hi.
Oh my god, baby.
Oh my god. Stop.
Hey, Megan, you making my hard, bro.
My bad. I'm trying to play some chess, dude.
Femboy, hey boy. You gotta get out of the house. Quit being a queer. Be more like.
Stop saying that. So, moral of the story, these two men should be stopped and not on me. But other than that, have a good day.